Welcome to Nuix. Nuix is an HVAC expert. So today I'm going to show you our product line. First of all, as you can see here, is our North American line. The rooftops, the PTEX, the inverter window units, the normal units, and also the floor ceiling and the top discharge condensing units. And here we also show you our other product of the rooftops, the water assist source heat pump, the floor ceiling, and also the inverter condensing unit for 5 tones, and also the multi-split units. And here we also offer the heat pump R32, the inverter one, and also the air handler, and also the most importantly, we also have a 4-line for the mini splits. And we have economic model, we have the luxury, we have the North American, and also we have multiple solutions for the ventilations. So if you need any HVAC product from China, just contact Nuix. It could be your best offer.